In North America, on the Canada-US border, there are 5 lakes, also known as the Great Lakes. The 5 Great Lakes are Lake Superior, Lake Michigan, Lake Huron, Lake Ontario, and Lake Erie. So how did the Great Lakes form? So 10,000 years ago there was a glacial age, and as they moved, they created great deep valleys, and when they melted it, they fell out the Great Lakes. The Great Lakes contain about 21% of world's surface freshwater, and they are robust ecosystems, and they provide drinking water for millions of people. They are the foundation of billions of dollars in shipping and tourism and other factors. But in the history, they have been facing a lot of problems since mankind have been lived near them. In 1969, the Cuyahoga River on its way to Lake Erie was so polluted that it caught on fire. Now nearly 24 billion gallons of untreated waste and stormwater is polluted into the Great Lakes, and this is the Dirty Dozen, which is showing the top 12 cities that are polluting into the Great Lakes. As you see, Buffalo, Chicago, Cleveland, Detroit, Fort Wayne, Fostoria, Fremont, and Lima, and South Bend and Toledo are the cities. So there are 3 main entryways of pollution: point source pollution, non-point source pollution, and atmospheric pollution. Point source pollution. So it's basically when pollution enters the waterway through a specific entry point, such as a drain pipe draining directly into a river. And they can include many different organic and inorganic substances, including human waste and toxic metals. It is the easiest source of pollution to control because it's basically made of humans, so it can be controlled easily. Non-point source pollution. Non-point source pollution, or NPS pollution, comes from many different diffuse sources, extremely difficult to regulate and control. Many experts believe that NPS pollution is the top hazardous facing the Great Lakes today. NPS pollution is mainly caused by runoff. Some common NPS pollution include fertilizers and pesticides from agricultural lands. And this is a picture of it. And the last one, atmospheric pollution, is another form of non-point source pollution. It's when water moves through the hydrologic cycle. It falls as rain or snow and then evaporates into air from land, and surface water. Pollution emitted into the air can be carried through the atmosphere, and then the whole cycle goes on. So now that we know how important are the Great Lakes to us and to other creatures, let's just stop polluting the Great Lakes and keeping the Great Lakes great. Thank you for watching my video.